Birds are a diverse group of warm-blooded vertebrates belonging to the class Aves. They are characterized by feathers, beaks, and laying hard-shelled eggs. Here are some key points about birds. Feathers are a defining characteristic of birds. They serve various functions including flight, insulation, and display. Feathers are made of keratin, the same protein that forms human hair and nails. While not all birds can fly, flight is a prominent feature of many species. Birds have evolved various adaptations for flight, including lightweight bones, efficient respiratory and circulatory systems, and specialized wing structures. Birds lack teeth and instead have beaks or bills, which are adapted for specific feeding habits. Beak shapes vary greatly among different species depending on their diet and ecological niche. Birds reproduce by laying eggs, which are usually hard-shelled. Incubation periods vary among species, and both parents or just one may incubate the eggs depending on the species. Birds exhibit incredible diversity in terms of size, color, habitat, behavior, and feeding habits. There are over 10,000 species of birds worldwide, ranging from tiny hummingbirds to large ostriches. Many bird species undertake long-distance migrations, traveling thousands of miles between breeding and wintering grounds. Migration is often driven by seasonal changes in food availability and breeding habitats. Birds use a variety of vocalizations and visual displays for communication. Songs, calls, and displays are used for mate attraction, territory defense, and warning signals. Birds play vital roles in ecosystems as pollinators, seed dispersers, pest controllers, and indicators of environmental health. They also contribute to nutrient cycling and provide cultural and recreational value to humans. Birds face numerous threats including habitat loss, pollution, climate change, predation by introduced species, and collisions with human structures such as buildings and power lines. Conservation efforts are crucial for protecting bird populations worldwide. Some bird species have been domesticated by humans for various purposes including food, e.g., chickens, ducks, pets, e.g., canaries, parrots, and entertainment, e.g., racing pigeons. Birds have fascinated humans for millennia, inspiring art, literature, and scientific study. They are integral components of ecosystems and continue to capture our imagination with their beauty, behavior, and adaptability. Birds face numerous threats to their survival. Habitat loss. Destruction and fragmentation of habitats due to human activities such as deforestation, urbanization, and agriculture threaten many bird species. Climate change. Climate change affects birds by altering habitats, disrupting migration patterns, and influencing food availability. Introduced species. Invasive species introduced by humans can outcompete native birds for resources or prey on them directly. Collisions. Birds often collide with human-made structures such as buildings, communication towers, and wind turbines, leading to injuries and fatalities. Conservation efforts are essential for protecting bird populations and their habitats. Initiatives include habitat restoration, protected area designation, captive breeding and reintroduction programs, and public education and outreach. Understanding these aspects of birds not only enriches our appreciation of these fascinating creatures, but also underscores the importance of conserving their habitats and ecosystems for future generations.